Oh, I thought I'd give this pliers a try. I tried it a second ago, and the video was blurry for the pin, so I thought I would try this again. Using the small part of the teeth, the small teeth right up here in the pliers. Doesn't get the whole pin. Kind of makes it look like a T-pin, like a dual layered T-pin. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not this time. I tried to do it before and it didn't come out very well. Trying to get it to focus. Looks like a dual layer T-pin, maybe triple layer T-pin. It only got the top part right there. It didn't get the whole thing. Trying to get as best shot as I can so you can see. Nice and sharp up here. But it does, like I said, it doesn't get the whole pin. I think because of the teeth, the way the teeth are. There's this big area right here that's nothing there. And I think these right in this area here is where the pin was hitting when I was touching it. I had a bit of an angle. Anyway, thought I'd show that.